sound revisited, hearing again the sound of the brethren. We were a little band that made a sound of heaven upon earth. We held a power not but of man, where we had closely bound the forces of the voice within the hour of measured beauty, lent by yesteryear, and sent into our void of noise unblessed. We halted, moving ages, lingering here between stone and stone, laid yesterday to rest. We had a space to be, a space to lend, a voice to aeons shed. We had a way to hold a power that held us, and to send to passing man a shimmer of a ray of thuric light, taboric, where we vied with choristers seraphic at our side.